guys, it's Jackie, and today we're going to be playing some Anki overdrive. My sister's here, but she's not going to be in the video very much.
And guess what? I'm his friend, and he's riding at my house, not his house, because he brought over his Anki overdrive. So let's give you a tour of the track.
So right here, it's just a loop around this. Oh shoot, I can't do it.
A little loop around my ottoman. Then look, you come over here. Over here. It's not a turn like the other turns. Look, you go out and go back in.
Okay, so we're gonna start up around. We're gonna put it down right here, and we'll.
But
and
sorry,
I'll
you're
start.
only gonna get to see where they start and where the laps end. We couldn't figure out a way for you to get. Wait, Jeff, I have an idea of how we can get footage from everywhere.
Okay, guys, we're about to start up.
Okay, Frankie. We'll start in a little bit.
So we're gonna start out with a race, guys. We're gonna do battle race 30 laps. So, cause here I am on the side. We're gonna do 30 laps.
So, Jack is going to invite me to his loop, okay?
Frankie, you're in.
So, oh yes, he invited me. I'm a Bell Cooper. So let's get started.
Yeah, here it goes.
So, right now, if you can't see me, it's scanning track. So, you ready? Here we go. Hold on. You can't see the cars.
Frankie, we're starting.
There are the cars. Dang it. Dang it, they only see me, they don't see the cars. Did you saw those two things are cars.
Shoot. Or should I get to the left side? Oh, geez, there's some madness. What? No, he's in the lead. No, he's
Yes,
not.
I'm in first place.
Yes! On second, Frankie, my witness! I'm trying to disable him. Yes. Come on. 2 seconds still.
I'm still first. 20 more laps to go. No!
Yes! I've taken one. Thank you very much. You shooting at me? You won't get. Guys, we're only at 16 laps.
Sorry guys, I just accidentally called the timeout.
Yes, guys, it's 20th lap. 10 more laps to go. I'm in first. Okay, this is getting a little boring. Let's have some fighting action in here, Frank. Run! Dude, my slider broke for a second. I was like, you hear that music, guys? That means it's about to end soon. you're there. One more lap, guys, for me. I won.
I was at 27.
Oh, I was at Okay, guys, we're gonna do battle now.
Sorry to break you, but I always lose.
So, guys, we're gonna have a battle now.
Yeah. Did you hear? A battle.
How many points? 10? 10 or 5?
How many laps?
10 or 5?
5.
It sounds so sad.
Hey guys, so I won the last run, and now we're doing a battle to 5 laps. Laps, yes.
Oh, shoot. Come in. Frankie, you're avoiding mine. Yeah. Frankie, have you gotten any kills yet? No, stop. I'm stopping. Run, 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 run. Oh, jeez. No! Please save me. You're gonna pay! You're gonna pay, single! You don't freak out, that's so low health! You will not believe it, I got like really low health. Those things hurt, man. That hurts. I'm trying to get some action going. Oh, you guys. Oh, guys, I just won. Yeah, my car leveled up.
Alright. As you all know, I told you before, I never win.
And guys, that's going to be the end of the video today. See you guys later. Maybe we'll do some more Anki overdrive videos. Bye!